innocent face, but I didn't know how to freak you was a case. I just confessed, I couldn't be through the dance. I was surprised that I was born inside. I keep thinking that I will never fuck no. You keep paying until I let up go. I open time that she will finally realize I do her game until you play the scene. That can't take her. Should've known she was a god faker. I know the line thing that can't take her. She right through me, she's a heartbreaker. What you doing to me? That can't take her. Should've seen it coming, huh? Should've seen it coming. I know the line thing that can't take her. She right through me, she's a heartbreaker. I never thought that I would stop beating the line, stop being the line. But everyone told me so. Stop carrying the line, stop being the line. I found a way to go. Stop doing the line, stop talking the line. And what you see? They would say I was a man that
I thought it was love, but it's game, huh? When you're dealing with emotions and pain, huh? Take close when you're dealing with a stranger. I can't change her now. Your heart burning with place, then you'll see. It won't heal from Pepsi, they see. Ball hard player, she a star player. I need Liz Cracker, I ain't saying heartbreaker, come on.
that can't take her. Should've known she was a heartbreaker. Do it to me. That can't take her. She right there, she's a heartbreaker. It is a man. That can't take her. Should've seen it coming, huh? Should've seen it coming, baby. That can't take her. She right through me, she's a heartbreaker. You know it is that you know I can take her. Should've known she was a heartbreaker. Should've seen it coming, baby. That can't take her. She right through me, she's a heartbreaker. That can't take her. Should've seen it coming, heartbreaker. You know I can see it. You know I can do it. Ain't nobody see it through me, she's a heartbreaker.
We the motherfucking best.
DJ Khaled. You haters can't stop me, I'm a franchise. You now rocking with the best, put your hands high.
Do it, I'ma fucking do it. These niggas try to hold me back, I swear I've been through it. Middle finger to them all, I'ma make them pay. PSA for any nigga standing in the way. You don't want these problems, you don't want these problems. You don't want these problems, you don't want these problems. Oh God, I tell you, you don't want these problems. You don't want these problems, you don't want these problems.
Out in Vegas like a mob, surf floor Tropicana. Fascinated with the cars, smoking dope in the Phantom. Cat phones on the rise, had this box propaganda. Camouflage Mac 11, now she set an example. Never baptized as I walk through the fires. The pain and the flame never match my desires. Crucify cause I'm rich, in the coupe take a pic. On the phone at the light, Kelly Rowland's a friend. Catfish in the bins, man Tateo's a sucker. Flags on the wall, hustle so I can say fuck 'em. Ballet for the house, so rock in the pool. My bitch is a stripper, her name is April Fool.
You haters can't stop me, I'm a franchise. You now rocking with the best, put your hands high.
Do it, I'ma fucking do it. These niggas try to hold me back, I swear I've been through it. Middle finger to them all, I'ma make them pay. PSA for any nigga standing in the way. You don't want these problems, you don't want these problems. You don't want these problems, you don't want these problems.
That's what the title says. Cause I'm rich, that's why you feel some kind of way. She threw the pussy and I caught it. Presidential, I fought it. That drop hit from Europe, that coupe got deported. I turned coke boy to that coke money. Big chopper, I'm walking funny. Money talk, you ain't talking money. You ain't even got no coke money. Whip game proper, I'ma make it work. Beside you, nigga, know who did it first.
We the best, Khaled tried to tell you. You just second best, Khaled Rowland. Renegade like M&J. VIP section started off from section 8. Arm and hammer, I'm on with the hammer. If it was a slumber party, I'd be fresh in pajamas. Ow! Silence the shoddy, I'm killing them softly. They slept on me, I stopped selling work and started selling them coffee.
You haters can't stop me, I'm a franchise. You now rocking with the best, put your hands high.
Jumping out that thing, ho, I swear that's word to my mama. I took risks with that cane, ho, and I sold work for my mama. These niggas don't want no drama. These niggas don't want no pop. These niggas don't want no beef. Have 'em walk down with that chopper. These dope niggas don't play that. They murk something, I say that. 200 chains for this Mosaic, and the wheels for the Pat Jack. We catch cases, don't say that. Don't talk work, cause they take that. Don't celebrate when we late at. Don't spin the bread, you can't make that. No.
Rest in peace, why must I murder and body them beats? Ain't no defeat in the eye of the beast, and I'm laughing at people who try to compete. Name any rapper that's fucking with me. I'm who these niggas pretending to be. Claiming you won't win no problems till mama get flowers and planning your funeral speech. My sanctuary's that cemetery, my chopper named it obituary. Act up, Tyler Perry, boy you sweeter than February. Real nigga I define that, you don't even need no dictionary. You ain't about that life, uncle, these
shooters with me ain't necessary.
You don't want these problems. You don't want these problems. You don't want these problems. You don't want these problems.
Timbo, DJ Khaled, DJ Khaled. You don't want Timbo, DJ Khaled, DJ Khaled. You ain't know. Timbo, DJ Khaled, DJ Khaled. You don't want, you ain't know. Timbo, DJ Khaled, DJ Khaled.
You don't want these problems. 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 Oh God, I tell you, you don't want these problems. You don't want these problems.
City to show up the show. See me, I be grinding across the globe. Also hard to get the grip for show. So when I make time to call you, you should pick up the phone. Tell me what's on your mind when you're alone. How you touching on yourself, girl, all in the zone. Now if I tell you wrong, what things I say, would I be wrong? Then I don't wanna be right. Matter of fact, I'll be on the next flight, trying to get it on with you tonight. Do the things you like, touch the right spot, how you piping hot, while the wind blow through your hair in the drop. Just lay back, relax to the sounds of the sex, and let me do what I do until you climax. You can go straight to sleep after it's all over. In the morning, roll over, and we can start over. I called just to say, hope you're having a nice day. You're special, I get into you, oops, I mean I'm into you. Every chance I get, I find time to spend with you. Jet to bring you to me, just to watch a movie. Better yet, to watch you climb in the jacuzzi. Yeah, bubbles in the bath, dawn in the glass. Funny how time flies, when you're full of laughs. It's fun, but before long, a nigga got a dash for the lifestyle I live. A nigga need cash to come quick, so I don't fuck with the stash. I know you like pumps and boots, I like Jeeps and coupes, so I grind all the time, just leave some loot. I put a spell on you, I like to call it a spell. In the bedroom, working it well. I don't kiss and tell, but I don't care if you kiss and tell. You can tell your girlfriend the details.